Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Khalifatul Khafifah. I'm from English Education Department 2, and now I would like to tell about morphophonemic. First of all, we have to know what is morphophonemic. Morphophonemic is an analysis and classification of the phonological factors which affect the pronunciation of morphemes or correspondingly. The morphological factors which affect the appearance of phonemes. And in another way, according Janssens, morphophonemic is a term for the process of influencing phonological condition by the morpheme and the series of morphemes. Janssens 1990. Okay, in morphophonemic, we basically study interaction between morphological and phonological process and how these factors affect each other. And now we continue to morphophonemics rule. There are 3 morphophonemics rules affecting the affix. The first one is assimilation, dissimilation, and the last one is synthesis. Okay, the first one is assimilation. In assimilation is such a morphemic change in which the last consonant of the prefixal morphemes undergoes assimilation of sorts. So in assimilation, more or less, this is a case of loss of consonant. For the example, handbag is often pronounced handbag. This example show that M sound followed by B sound, it become M sound. So it is pronounced handbag. And another example is there are in and regular. It not irregular, but the correct is irregular. Okay, the second is dissimilation. Dissimilation, a process quite opposite to assimilation, as the name itself indicates. With this stage, two phonemes form two different morphemes. For the example is there are in and noble. It will be ignoble, but the correct is ignoble. M sound change to G sounds. Or another example is England in Old English and England in Modern English. Okay, the last one is synthesis. This morphemic change is also known as palatalizations. It refers to the process of combining or fusing two different consonants into a single one. For the example is X and Eon. So the sound is action because T sound and I sound it changes to palatal sh, so action. And and the second example is press and euro. So the sound is the pronoun is pressure. So that's all for me. Thanks very much and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.